Today we are going to present about Teguh Sindar Berhad. That is about warehouse layout plan. The presenter is myself, Muhammad NAZMI, Meor Muhammad Azeem, AMIRUL MUKMININ dan SOLEH. Okay, next. Okay, our company, that's it, Teguh Sindar Berhad, is located at number 3 Jalan TP2 Taman Perindustrian UEP 47600 Subang Jaya, Selangor. It is located in the Selangor, Johor. Okay, next. Okay, as we know, Teguh Sindar Berhad is offer three product. That is vegetable oil, olive oil, and vegetable ghee. For these three type of product, they have a different design, such as in bottle or in plastic bag. After they have get into the design, they will get into the box. So basically, we in the warehouse we will handling the box that contain this type of three product that offered by our company, that is Teguh Sindar Berhad. Okay, next. As we can see on the screen, that this is our Teguh Sindar Berhad warehouse layout plan. Okay, for warehouse layout plan, we use straight floor design. As we can see, they have two side. That is for receiving at the top, and the bottom we have a shipping dock. So in this case, we have three sections. Two for slow lane, and one for fast lane, and one for fast lane. Okay, for the slow lane, we choose we have a slow lane because we can move the higher product that slow. So we can move the slow product with the higher volume. Okay, so why we use warehouse layout plan? As we can see, as we know, oil cooking oil is the grocery product. So it's suitable for this product use straightforward layout plan. Because the product do not keep in the storage for the long time. So beside that, in this warehouse we can move the item in the large volume quantity. So okay. Why? Beside that, we use this warehouse because it can eliminate delivery truck waiting time. This is because with multiple bays, as we can see, we have four lorry for the both side. So the truck do not have to waiting for the long time to unload and unloading the item. This not only save the truck full, but the delivery can be faster and sooner to reach the customer. Okay. For the fast lane, this fast lane is the dynamic storage. So the product that already have a customer order profile will be straightly crossing the warehouse to the end warehouse. So the item will be faster to ship. Alright. So basically, the warehouse is suitable for the Teguh Sdn Bhd because it is the grocery product that have a higher activity in the warehouse. Okay, that's it. Next.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Soleh bin Surhaimi, and I'm going to explain about the what type of storage mode system that the Teguh Sdn Bhd company use. So our company use the block staking for the storage mode system. So what is the block staking? The block staking is a form of pelletized storage that does not require any type of storage equipment, and instead loaded pellets are placed directly on the floor and built up in stack to a maximum stable storage height. So the lanes are created to ensure access to the different stock keeping unit, or known as the SKU. One key limitation of block staking is that the SKUs are only accessible in last in, first out, or known as the LIFO method. The floor staking is extremely space intensive and hence require very large areas for storing large quantities of stock. So when the loads are removed from the storage lane, underutilized space is created that cannot be used until the entire lane is clear. So this effect is called honeycombing. So this is what it means by the block stacking method. So why our company choose this block staking method for the storage mode system is, first is the flexibility. So what is meant by the flexibility is that, as you know, that the block staking system is where we just put the loads or the pellets on the floor and then we just stack it with another load. So we don't need any storage equipment. So the flexibility means here that we can move the pellets or the loads at any place in the warehouse. The next is the no storage equipment needed. So as I said before, that the block stacking is the only storage method system that not require any storage equipment. Just like any other pellet storage system that uh, require equipment like the stacking frame, the drive-in rack, the mobile pallet rack. They all need a rack to store the loads and the pellet. The next is the lower capital cost. So what's mean by lower capital cost here is that without the storage equipment needed, our company don't need to invest or involve any money to buy the storage equipment. We just put the product or the load on the floor and then stack with another load. Just like the next is the good use of area, not necessarily at heights. So what mean by this is, as you know, that the block staking, we just put the product on the floor and then we stack it with another floor until it reach to the maximum storage height. So the maximum storage height or the staking levels are determined by a number of different factors, such as like the load strength, the load weight, the load stability, the pallet condition, safety limits, and the weather. So the difference of height between the floor and the roof is not a problem for our company. The last one is the suitable for height throughput. For your information, the Teguh Sdn Bhd company is a famous company in Malaysia. So every day in our warehouse, there's a lot of product, especially the oil, come in and out from our product. So the employees and the workers can take or put the product in our warehouse easily without any problem. So that's why the Teguh Sdn Bhd choose the block staking for the storage mode system. Okay, so here is the example photos of the block staking storage mode system. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad AMIRUL MUKMININ Berosli. So let's move to the next slide. Type of material handling. So, okay. So we start with pallet retrieval system. In pallet retrieval system, we use counterbalance lift truck. So we use counterbalance lift truck to pick up our product and organize it in the storage. Our counterbalance lift truck will receive the product from receiving area and arrange by block stacking method in our storage area. So there is several reasons we choose to use counterbalance lift truck as our type of material handling. The first one is it is a low cost. This is several reasons why we choose counterbalance lift truck as our type of material handling. The first one is it is a low cost. As we know, counterbalance lift truck is generally powered by a forklift truck only require electricity to recharge the battery and water to top them up. Therefore, they will save money by eliminating the fuel cost. So the second one is improve health and safety. In improve health and safety, as they do not require fuel power, electric counterbalance lift truck will negate the need to store the fuel. It is reducing potential risks. Plus, the battery can be removed and replaced from the site to better protect the safety of the operator. So the third one is less noise. There will certainly be a noticeable reduction in noise in the workplace or the warehouse, as an electric counterbalance lift truck is a very quiet when being operated. It is creating an improved working environment for our labor and worker. So the last one, why we choose counterbalance lift truck, it is a lower cost for maintenance. Generally, electric forklift or counterbalance lift truck will require less maintenance than traditional fuel power counterbalance lift truck. With fewer components and engine oil, filters, coolant, and ancillaries. They will also have to waste to dispose of. Okay, so we can look at the example of the picture of counterbalance lift truck at the slide. So let's go to the next slide. Okay, it is a picking system. For picking system, we use pallet jack picking as our type of material handling. We use pallet jack picking to pick the product when the product has demand from the customer. Pallet jack picking, we will move the product from the storage area to the loading area. Okay. So basically, motorized pallet jack picking is a motorized vehicle equipped with forks to transport pallet at floor level. As you can see in the picture, the slide, there is a things that like a fork at the back of the vehicle. The operator will ride on the front of the vehicle with the pallet secured by the forks on the back. So, and the third one is double pallet jack can carry 2 pallets at a time. Pallet jack picking is suitable for short distance, and I think it will be suitable for our warehouse because the distance of our warehouse is limited. So it is a low capital investment, so we don't need to invest many money for this picking system. It is suitable for our method of block stacking, and I think we can see this pallet jack picking. Usually we can see it at the Aeon when the operator will move the product from the storage to the rack of customer will pick them at the rack. Okay. Generally in our warehouse, straight flow warehouse, we use a manual palletizing. For palletizing system, we choose manual palletizing because we just use a human force in our operation. When we use a human force to operate the production, the placement of item also will be handled by the manual force or by the labor. So generally, our warehouse, Teguh Sdn Bhd, will more focus on the skills and attribute of our workers. So that's all from me. Next is Meor.
The last one in this presentation is the technologies that used in the warehouse. So the technology that we use for our company is the barcode and the bar scanner. The barcode have the alphanumeric number and character that can put all the information about the product in the barcode. So when the product come into the warehouse, the worker have to scan the barcode to know about the product. So what the information that we put in the product in the barcode is like the weight of the product, the height of the product, the color of the product, the type of the product. So when we scan the barcode, we can know what the product is inside the box. So we can put the box in the suitable rack when the product come into the warehouse. Then the barcode can scan more quicker data capture. Barcode permit faster and more accurate transfer and recording of information, benefiting the track of work in process or the movement of assets more quickly and precisely. And then the barcodes and the bar scanner can reduce the need to manually enter data. We can automatically scan the data when we use the barcodes and the bar scanner. So when we scan the barcodes, use the bar scanner, we can see the information about the product and the computer, and we also can know the product is the right product or not. After that, the barcodes and bar scanner also can process to increase the speed and labor cost reduce. Significant time can be spent tracking down the location of asset, instrument, materials, anything that move within a location or between companies. Barcodes can help speed the process and improve the tracking of this item, saving the organization time in response to inquiries and change, because the product can track because we can track the exactly where the item are. Then like the advantage of the barcode is better accuracy. We can scan and we can know the right of the product. After that, automatic identification. And lastly is data capture. For the barcode, we recently used in our warehouse to track the inventory and on invoice to assist in accounting among many other users. So we can make our work more easier than another technology. Next is the vision system. Okay, for the vision system is rely on digital sensors that protected inside industrial cameras with specialized optics to acquire image. When the product come into the warehouse, we can scan it, use the vision system, which is like the camera or like CCTV. When the product enter the warehouse, the vision system can scan the product and know what the product is in the box. So the vision system can process, analyze, and measure various characteristics for decision making. So many types of work that can be done by use the vision system. It also more easily and more faster when the product come into the warehouse. We can do it automatically and it more easier. For the vision system, it use a camera to view an image, and then the algorithm and then process and interpret image. So the vision system can show us the product in the box, and we can place the product into the suitable rack to more easier when we want to search the product to direct the loading bay area. Other than that, a vision system also provide image-based inspection automated for convenience. So when we want to search the product, we just have to look back at the vision system and where we put the product, and then we can go to the rack to pick up the product, and it can save our time and reduce the workforce of the worker. That's all from me and my group. Thank you.